Fourth year English, lecture number 7, topic The Old Man and the Sea. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Fourth year class, how are you all students? I hope you all fine, and I say welcome to all of you in my class. And better let's start our today's chapter, today's lecture. And we see that the old man and the boy, they took their dinner and on the table, and their table had no light at all. Okay, so what we see in this play, in this novel, that it shows the courage and determination of the old man, of an old man, that he did not lose his heart even at his poverty, even at his defeat for continuously 84 days, because for 84 days he wasn't able to catch any fish. But he did not lose his heart. So the boy went out. They had eaten with no light on the table, and the old man took off his trousers and went to bed in the dark. So first he took off his trousers and then he went to bed to sleep. And but why he took off his trousers? Because he had no pillow to put his head on it. He rolled his trousers up to make a pillow, and what he put in that trousers? He put newspaper inside them, so that it may be made a pillow for his head. He rolled himself in the blanket and slept on the other old newspapers that covered the springs of the bed. So he had scattered newspapers on the bed in order to cover the spring, so that the spring of the bed, it may not hurt him. So look at this paragraph, that it shows the poverty of the old man, that how poor life he was leading, but still he had no complaints against the government, against any person. It gives us a message that whatever the condition is, we should be very thankful to our Lord. Okay? So let's see next paragraph. He was asleep in a short time, and he dreamed of Africa when he was a boy, and the long golden beaches and the white beaches, so white they hurt your eyes, and the high caps and the great brown mountain. So the dreams in the novel, they play a key role. So the examiner often asks questions about the dreams of the old man, that what role does the dreams of the old man play. In the dream, whenever there is a paragraph, there is a reference of the dream, so we will see that he often dreamt about lions and the beaches and the mountains. So these all things, the lion, it is the symbol of bravery. It means that he wanted to get strength even in his dreams as well. As in real life, in actual life, he is very powerful and strong person. He is strong. He is so strong that he did not accept his defeat. As he often said that a man can be destroyed but not defeated. So defeat was the word that was not acceptable by Santiago. Okay, Santiago was the name of the old man. So he dreamt of Africa when he was a boy, and the golden beaches and the white. So what did he see? He saw the golden beaches and the white beaches, so white they hurt, or itni white that they were hurting the eyes of the boy, of the old man, and the high caps of the land, and the high caps and the great brown mountains. So it was all in his dream. He lived along that coast now every night, and in his dreams he heard the surf roar and saw the native boats come riding through it. He smelled the tar and oakum of the deck as he slept, and he smelled the smell of Africa that the land breeze brought at morning. So as we know that he lived along that coast के पास में रहता था, जो बंदरगाह उसके पास उसका घर था. Now every night, and in his dreams he heard the surf roar and saw the native boats. Of course he was a fisherman, and he dreamt about the you can say fishes, and about the sea, about the mountain, about the beaches, about the lion that he was able to see on the beaches. So it was his dream. Come riding through it, he smelled the tar and oakum. Tar and oakum different things at the seashore, जो कि seashore पे चीज़ अक्सर पाई जाती हैं. They are tar and the oakum of the deck as he slept, and he smelled the smell of Africa दैट द लैंड, और बेटा उसको जो है वो स्मेल आती थी, अफ्रीका की स्मेल थी, दैट वाज वेरी पर्टिकुलर, एंड दैट द लैंड ब्रीज ब्रॉट एट मॉर्निंग, और द स्मेल ऑफ द अफ्रीका, द लैंड ब्रीज इट्स ब्रॉट इन द मॉर्निंग, एंड विद दैट स्मेल बेटा ही वोक अप. Usually when he smelt the land breeze, he woke up and dressed to go and wake the boy. So beta, it was his routine that whenever he smelled that particular land breeze, so he woke up from his sleep and dressed to go, and he put on his trousers and other things and wake the boy, and he went in order to wake the boy up. So, but tonight the smell of the land breeze came very early, and he knew it was too early in his dream, and went on dreaming to see the white peaks of the island rising from the sea, and then he dreamed of the different harbors and roadsteads of the Canary Islands. So beta, it seemed that maybe he is quite conscious about his dreams, and he is still conscious in his dreams, and he knew that where he was and what was he dreaming about. So beta, it is very unique and different thing that we ever find in any novel, that the dreamer, he is quite aware of his dreams. So beta, he said that, but tonight the smell of the land breeze came very early. उसको land breeze की जो smell थी, it came to him, it reached to him very early, and he knew it was too early in his dream. वो जानता था कि उसके dream में थोड़ा सा जल्दी आ गई है. He smelling that breeze early in the morning, and went on dreaming to see the white peaks of the. और बेटा उसने अपने dream को देखना, to look to have a dream. He continued, and what did he saw? What did he see? He saw the white peaks of the island. वाइट पिक्स उसने आइलैंड की देखी, राइजिंग फ्रॉम द सी, एंड देन ही ड्रीम्ड ऑफ द डिफरेंट हार्बर्स. फिर उसने बेटा डिफरेंट हार्बर्स देखे, जो बंदरगाहें होती हैं, ठीक है, वो देखी, एंड रोडस्टेड्स ऑफ द कैनरी लैंड. बेटा ये सारी चीज़ें जो है वो ही ड्रीम्ड व्हेन ही स्लीप. Okay, so he no longer dreamed of storms, nor of women, nor of great occurrences, nor of great fish, no fights, no contest of strength, no of his wife. So beta, today now he did not dream of storms. पहले क्या देखता था बेटा? He dreamed of storms, and often his wife come into his dream. So now the author is saying that he did not dreamt of storms, nor of women, nor of great occurrences. Occurrences mean happenings. ना इसने कुछ चीज़ें होते हुए देखी, nor of great fish, no fights, no contest of strength, and nor of his wife. He only dreamt of places now and of the lions on the beach. बेटा उसने क्या देखा? He dreamt of the places and the lion on the beach. They played like young cats in the dusk, and he loved them as he loved the boy. So beta, he loved the lions. So the lions seemed that as if they were playing like cats on the beach, and he loved them as he loved the boy. ठीक है बेटा, he never dreamed about the boy. He simply woke, looked out the open door and the moon, and unrolled his trousers and put them on. So बेटा, वो कभी भी उसने लड़के को ख्वाब में नहीं देखा था. The boy, he was not a part of his you can say dreams. So he simply woke up when his dream was over. So he woke up, and he opened the door at the moon and unrolled his trousers at the moon, because there was just twilight. That was quite early in the morning, and the moon was still appearing in the sky. So beta, he unrolled his trousers and put them on. Now he take out all the newspapers that he put into that trousers in order to make a pillow. So he unrolled his trousers and then put them on. So beta, it shows that the old man, how you can say courageous and brave he was, and he did not even you can say जो है वो करता नहीं था, कंप्लेन नहीं करता था बेटा किसी से. So he was quite happy and contented with his life. So beta, it's enough for today's lecture, and I hope that you have all understood very well, and inshallah I try to make your concepts very clear about this novel, because this is very you can say tricky and unique novel that is written by the author. So beta, till tomorrow's lecture, stay blessed, and Allah Hafiz, and beta, all of you remember me in your prayers.